Hello everyone. So I met with Jenny at the Media Lab last week, and talking with her helped me think through some of what Engin and I have been trying to articulate in the idea of using something like WeExplore to explore an inquiry-based approach or adventure learning type of approach, if you will, in this work of learners exploring sedimentation issues. The Media Lab is building an adventure learning environment for the Raptor Center or the Raptor Lab to help explore issues around rehabilitating an injured or sick raptor, investigate a pressing issue related to the problem, and then for learners to share what they have learned. Within the environment, they've linked to a page where users can learn more about the Raptor Lab. In our case, this would be the river run, water, soil, climate change. Then they have this complete with a section about learning goals, etc. There are tutorials on how to use WeExplore to build and document your own expedition or learning experience. They've also included pieces relevant to the adventure learning framework. For us, this might include something like an overview of inquiry-based learning or service learning, or some other framework that we're using to kind of develop this work. In the Explore section, there is a brief overview video of the Raptor Lab. But what I think is interesting here is in the Explore tab, where they have designed to plug in activities, resources, etc. to different learning sections, i.e. the admissions and exam section, the diagnoses and treatment section, the conditioning and release section. I see these sections as representing learning units or maybe some of the critical questions we've talked about, and then the subunits kind of zoom in on specific segments. There isn't anything currently in their Investigate section. It would be a good model for where we might place cases relevant to particular sections or subsections which are identified over in the Explore tab or something like that. In the Share tab, they have linked to expeditions which may be of interest to Raptor Lab learners. Through this section, this can be configured any different way. So we could link to different cases or different expeditions. This could be a place where, let's say, the 5 different locations or multiple different locations then load their expeditions, and they're shared kind of throughout a broader network. So I decided to give it a go with WeExplore, and I built the beginning of an expedition based primarily on our experiences with the teachers. I've invited each of you as a team member in this expedition, and I think this should enable each of you to be able to edit so that you can see how easy it is to kind of load content, etc. Now, the one thing that's kind of missing in what I've put together here are curriculum pieces, but in the WeExplore examples that the Media Lab has put out there, that you can find on weexplore.com, they do integrate curriculum pieces or curriculum notes right into a WeExplore expedition. So we can get a sense of how that can be integrated into different places throughout. So give it a look, and I want to hear what everybody thinks. Cheers.